Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to add the degree symbol on Canva. So in order to do that, just open up your Canva website. After that, just head over to your project that you are working on. So in order to add your degree symbol, just go over here to the apps option, type in equations and then search for it. So click here on the equations option. So let it load up. So let's just type in 90. So in order to add the degree sign, you need to go here to the advanced options, scroll down, go here to the chemistry option, and you will find the degree symbol here. So let's just say I wrote here 90 degrees. So insert equation and your 90 degrees has been added to your Canva project. So that's it. That's how you add a degree symbol on Canva. So thanks for watching guys. Take care.